Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Exiting a custom game in Mobile Legends is simple. Sometimes you start a practice match and need to leave quickly. You might want to change your hero or adjust your settings. You do not have to finish the whole match to get out. First, look at the top right corner of your screen during the game. You will see a gear icon there. This is the settings button. Tap on that gear icon right now. A new menu will pop up in the middle of your screen. Look at the bottom left or right of this menu. You will see a button that says Leave Game. It is usually red or has a small door icon next to it. Tap that button once. A confirmation box will appear on your screen. It asks if you are sure you want to quit the match. Tap the Confirm button to exit. You will be sent back to the main lobby immediately. Leaving a custom game is different from a real ranked match. You will not lose any credit score for doing this. Your account will not be penalized for quitting early. This works for solo practice and matches with your friends. If you are playing with others, everyone will leave the match together. If you are the host, the room will close for everyone. You can then start a new game with different rules or heroes. This is the fastest way to reset your practice session. It saves you a lot of time. Now you know how to quit a custom match quickly. Just hit the gear icon on screen.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.